Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can edit video background in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone and I have imported my video as well. And we're going to practice how we can edit this video background. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the video section right here. Then after that, you can scroll all the way to the right until you find cutout option. And this is the cutout option. Just tap on it. And since we want to edit the background, we have to remove the background first. We can click on remove background right here. Then the background has been removed right now, and we can click on this check mark button. Then just tap on this button, tap again on this button. Then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find canvas option. So this is the canvas option. You have to tap on it, then click on background. Then you can select the background that you want to use. You can also import a background from your gallery by clicking on this button. But for me, I'm going to use the background from CapCut and just scroll all the way to the right and keep scrolling to explore more background. And for example, I'm just going to select maybe this one, guys. This one. Okay, and just tap on the background, then the background will be changed. Okay, and now the background has been changed, guys, and you just need to click on this check mark button, then click on this button. Then after that, we can we can take a look at the result. So just play the video. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit video background in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.